Guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-tourist visa to travel to Ethiopia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, more and more countries are going towards e-visas because it's a very easy process for the applicants, and it does boost tourism too. Okay, because you can apply it from anywhere from your point of convenience. So in front of you, I have opened this official website of Ethiopia. So let's go through this. So I click on apply now. So you need to select the visa. Multiple types are here. For our purpose, we'll select for tourist visa. Validity single entry 30 days. So the cost is 62 USD. Terms and condition agree. Click on next. Now it is asking you for arrival date when you are gonna come over there. So I'll do this one. Departure country from where you are coming. Departure city. Do it as per your case, guys. This is just sample. Airline. Address in Ethiopia where you're gonna stay. Let's say hotel. So I'll just say hotel Ethiopia. City. Let's say Bada. Just street address. I'm putting sample. You do as per your case. Phone number. Do it as per your own case. This is just sample. Okay, your information, given name. Country of birth, you need to do as per your case. In your passport, all such information is available, and verify everything that you enter at least 2 times, not just one, 2 times. Place of birth, email address. Do it properly, not like this. Confirm email address. Oh, I know why it's an email. Phone number, occupation. I just write IT consultant, street address, city. Oh, sorry about that. I mean, fill everything properly. Of course, I won't be submitting this application. I'm just giving you an idea. Passport information, passport type, passport number, due date, expiry date, country, issuing authority. All you'll find it in your passport. Okay. The next is going to be attachment and submission. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.